Shashi, I have a question.
Mhm.
So, in this, like you were telling the example, there are two rows for winter, right?
Yeah.
So, let's say if there is a subscriber and there are two, three, four, maybe there could be more rows as well, right?
Mhm.
So, what output value it is going to be? Because what I believe
Is
is it is.
how, yeah, it is how you are going to design, right? Now, first I'm assigning a value here, right? Say product name and price. Either you want to show them in a table format, right? I think the table format is much better for me. Then here, what you do is you can do the inlining, right? So instead of closing here, I'm getting all the values here. Okay. Now I'll close this tag here. Okay. For next time, another what I can do is I can open this and close it here. Okay. So close this here. And after assigning here, what I can do is the next I is below. Hmm. So here you can format it with a table. Use table tag here. Table. Let's say this is P header. Okay. And P header. Okay. I'm just rough. I'm making a rough one. Okay. Slash table and make it TD. It will be much easier. So here you can say table header. So first one is for me is product name. Hmm. So another table header will be price. So first column is the product. Second column name is the price. Okay, you can add other attributes similarly. Okay, and then you have this. Even if I remember this practice of T head, I'm not very good with HTML, but I remember closely. Okay. Then you have this T data or something. Let's okay. If I'm getting confused, better I always go to Bootstrap. Bootstrap table. So I want to take this example, right? So let's take this first. Yeah, table body. Okay. Yes, I'm getting confused. So this is TH. So let's take one at a time. So first, open the table and close the table. Okay. Always follow open and close. So you will not mix anything. Okay. Then I'll have this TDTH. Let's see, I'll copy it at a go. I can modify later. Okay. So this one, I want to make this as a product name, and this one as a price. You can add other things as well. So I'm just removing the other part. Okay. So I have two columns, and then I do this T body. Here, T body. Let's close this T body. This T body, close it. Okay. Align it properly. Now I have a TR. Okay. So these are table row. Here inside here, I'll have a table row. So this, what will happen is your for loop, this has to go in a loop, right? So you have a product name, let's say this one, two rows. Okay, so product and price. Let's say this is the product and this is the price. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to run this here, printing this value. V okay, and Yeah, this will be price. Say price. Okay. Now, if I yeah, okay. If I run this, what will happen is this table body and all things will be printed again and again. So now see again you have to modify. So the close for loop यहाँ तक ठीक है here. So print here, close this. Now for this open and close where it will be closed. Let's say first open and close को ठीक कर दो. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Your for loop is starting here, is ending here, but table has to come. So TB TD this guys has to come up. Place it here. Okay. Now this has started. Okay. Yeah, it's assigned and it's printing. And it's printing here. Print हो गया. So this is in the loop. Okay. So this table TD TR, this TR, I'll cut it down from here. After end, I'm going to paste it. So only this TD, I'm basically looping it. Understood? It should be inside the for loop. So even what I can do is I can take this up before the for loop, right? So even here, if and everything, I can set it here, okay? And open and close. Open this, close this one as well. So here, closing the table is here. Okay. So anyway, hope you people are following me, or it's getting complicated. Let me know.
It's complicated for me.
Yeah, me too. Little bit.
Okay. Okay. So what we'll do is in the next time, okay, because I'll tell you how you have to do it. See, I'm doing a if loop, for loop. Okay. Now this for loop will keep on continuing. Let's say I think I have to make it more easy for you. Great. Okay. So if I have to make a table, and if I have to design a table, now this table, if I just inside a loop, if I do the loop here, for loop, run this loop, right? And everything is printed here, and you do next I here. Okay. So if you run this loop, this table will be printed 10 times, right? If you say 2 times, then say table. This will basically print here. You don't want to print a table. You basically what you want to print is TD. Okay, so this will be the format. Anyway, covering everything now will be difficult. So to make it easier, what we can do is, where it went. So simply what you do is add only one column for now, okay, and try to print it. So one row you can print it, right? So say product, like what you people have done, product name equals to the value. This is okay for you for now?
Yes.
Yes.
I mean, I'm able to relate to it. What you're trying to tell. It's like I have one record, and you're trying to pull many interests of mine instead of so what. So there is a difference between record lookup and record lookup row function, and maybe we are getting confused between these two. This is what I can think of right now. But yeah,
Understood.
the which
Understood.
yeah,
Understood.
the one which you're telling you right now, I'm able to relate to it, and I'm able to understand what you're trying to do here is for one record, whatever interest he or she has, you're trying to pull all those records instead of just one, and that's why you're using this.
Yeah, what I'll do is I'll try to simplify this. Okay, so what you people can do is let's simplify this for now. then because not everybody will be in that position to understand, right? So simple, you're going to assign the subscriber, right? And fetch, just get the assignment, do the assignment, okay, for the subscriber. That is first name, okay, and say what is the season. Okay, so you assign this from a table. Okay, and then what you do is where is that table? Kahan gaya? And let me close this. Right. So here, let's keep only one field. Okay, so let's not confuse it. We'll do the
Like a
lookup
primary
rows.
key, right?
Yeah. What we'll do is tomorrow, next session, we'll follow the lookup rows in detail. Okay, and how basically we are going to print those lookup rows. The question that what Sumit has asked, will make it more simpler. We'll try to make it very simple then. So here, what you're going to do is get the first name and the season for that subscriber. Okay, assignment for the subscriber. Okay, and then from the products, what you do is say set and the rate product name. Okay, and instead of lookup rows, you do lookup. So for the lookup syntax, what is syntax is the data extension name products. Okay, the second parameter is the field that you want to fetch, so that it will be product name. So this is the product name. Okay. And how you're going to search the product name? You're going to search the product name by the attribute, okay, which is season, and the value will be this season for which the person was interested. So here this will be, people, I don't want to confuse you guys, set and first name, and this will be from the attribute value first name, and season, okay. Here I'm going to do this attribute value season. So this will be, I think we have written favorite season, favorite FAV. Is the spelling correct? Why am so weak in spellings? Spell the favorite FAV.
It's okay. It's Ampscript, right? Not English.
So that's okay. Tell me favorite. I'm very perfectionist.
If you ask like that, we should
RITE.
Favorite. Is this correct?
JVOU.
Yes.
RITE.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, I don't know. Still, I'm confused. Okay, favorite season. Anyway, so this is how you're going to assign. Okay, and from here, copy this, and this will be a search value for which you're searching. So this will first, what it is going to return you is going to return you the first row. No matter if you have two rows, it is always going to default to the first row. Okay.
Now, Sasi, the lookup function, I guess, like gives only the field value, right?
Yeah.
Not
So which
Not the
field
row.
you're returning? Right. So
okay.
it is not returning you a row, it is returning your field. Right. In lookup rows, what you're doing was the difference between lookup and lookup rows. Right. So lookup rows is returning you for the full
Complete row.
Oh, yeah.
Right. It is returning your row. So that's why you have to go or do a loop. Right. And for that particular row, when you say the row, okay, from the row set, okay, from the row set, then you say for this row set, first assign that row. Okay, that is first row, and then from this first row, you're going to say, okay, from this first row, go to that field.
I think we are complicating again. Let's go with the simple one first.
Yeah, no problem. I'll go back. First, somebody's asking, I'm again clarifying, and I'll going back. Okay.
Okay.
So this field name. So I say this row will be row, okay, and then give the field name. So product name. Because yeah, currently it will be complicated, but later on when we go to this, it will be very easy to understand. Okay. So this is how the lookup row will work. Let's focus here. Forget everything. Yeah. Okay. So when you do a lookup, this is the data extension name. Okay. So let me help you out with the syntax here. So the lookup, just I'll take with the lookup function. Lookup, this the first parameter is the data extension name. Okay. This is the returning the attribute. Okay. So attribute that you want to return. Okay, let me make this that you want to return. Okay, this is the attribute that through which you want to search. So attribute for search. Okay, and this last one is the value for which you are going to search. Okay, value for which you want to search. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So product name. So this product will be returned. So similarly, you have to set 2, 3, 4 attributes, whatever you want to set, say description and everything. The second one is price. So I'm simply copying this. Okay. Pasting it here, and I say this is price. Okay. PRIC, price lookup. So I'm simply replacing this attribute. The search will be the same, only the attribute return attribute will be different. Okay, so you can copy the same, but just change the variable name and the attribute. That's it, and then you print the values. Okay.
Okay.
Let me. Any questions? I'll just hold here. I'll give you 5 minutes to any questions there.